charge. You better relax.
The incident took place in Palm Bay, Florida. An intoxicated woman caused a disturbance in front of a liquor store. What started as a welfare check and an attempt by police to disperse the scene quickly escalated into battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest.
Be in there in a second, man. What are you doing?
He was doing a lot of drugs.
Who?
Other people were doing other things.
Who?
And him and other people.
Okay.
I've been trying to save my fellow employees.
Do you work here at the Jiffy Mart?
I work at the B-Bags.
Okay,
So the
Okay,
late
go ahead.
night
Yeah.
employee handle of whoever you can.
so what's going on in the store today?
Explanation. I don't feel comfortable putting an explanation out because for B-Bags and everything else.
I don't care about B-Bags. What's going on in the store, in this Jiffy Mart?
It wasn't here. It was outside of the store.
Alright, so what's going on outside the store?
This was a chase to the store.
Call somebody to come pick you up.
What family?
I don't care.
He said somebody, not family.
Somebody.
You can't be here, okay?
I don't give a
So
shit
what
who it
do you-
is, just call somebody. You're
So
out
what
here
do you guys?
intoxicated.
Huh?
So what do you guys? Because you guys are my family.
No, we're not. Call someone. Do you have a phone?
Okay.
Where's your phone at? Do you have a phone?
If I had one, so I called this out hours ago, and I called this out long before
what's your
this was a
name?
problem. The Alice is.
Nice. Do you have a phone in your pocket?
Do you have any history with her when I see it?
I do have a history of my mom calling.
Where's your
in.
phone at?
I would love to know.
Huh?
I would love to know.
So you don't have a phone? Where do you live?
I'm homeless.
Homeless? Okay. You've been drinking, I guess?
Never mind. I don't want to argue. I just hope my dog is okay.
Yeah, let's get the rookie
Can I
out.
at least call for my dog to be okay?
Huh?
Can I please call for my dog to be okay?
Yeah, where's your phone at? Check your pockets into the phone. Do you have a phone in your pockets?
You know, TJ. Yeah, you don't.
Who can come pick you up?
I want answers to the people that want to put me. Answer.
What are you even saying? Who can come pick you up? I'm trying to get you to somewhere safe.
No, you're not.
Do you have
Eggs and bacon.
Do you
And
have
that's
anyone
why
that can come
TJ
help you?
didn't want you or him to answer.
Believe me, we don't want to be here any more than you don't want us to be here.
So who called TJ?
Who can come
They
pick you up?
So who denied him to come?
Do you have a phone in your pocket?
I wish
That
you did
didn't
grab
answer
that
my
white
question.
Audi.
Are you celebrating the eclipse? The solar eclipse today. It's a big
Are
deal.
you guys deciding this because I'm a Wiccan?
Huh? No, there's an eclipse today.
I don't
We're
care.
not mind readers. We don't know that.
No, I hate that this is the biggest day that y'all have the worst fucking.
All we want to do is get you home or get you to somewhere safe.
Whoa.
I don't care. It doesn't matter to me.
You would
Do you have somebody that
care
can
if
come pick you up?
TJ answered.
Can you walk?
Yeah.
What's your plan? Where are you going?
Let's practice walking. Can you stand up and walk this way? See how you can walk.
I got hit by a motorcycle the other day. Can I at least get a step to stand up?
Sure.
I don't care how, but can I get a step to stand up?
Yeah, do you need me to help you up or are you gonna
I
get
don't
up?
want them to laugh how. Yeah.
It's not about you. Just stand for it, please.
You remember the bed is.
Walk that way.
How?
Just walk straight.
You put one foot in front
I
of
just
the
want
other.
to see you walk. You don't have to do anything special.
So where can we get you to? Can we give you a courtesy ride somewhere safe?
I'm sorry. Who did he say something, or
Well, I
did
was
y'all?
asking you about your if you have.
But you also stopped. So
Can we get you somewhere safe? Can we give you a courtesy ride somewhere?
with video, with hold on. So I mean, y'all want to try this?
You want to sit back down? I want you to fall over.
Why? So I can calm down.
No, I want you to sit down so you don't fall over, not calm down.
You suddenly care.
You're a little bit unsteady on your feet right
You
now.
suddenly
So
care.
Can you sit down,
So I
please?
remember the last time you didn't care
I've never met you before.
because you didn't care to.
Sit down, please.
So I'm waiting on the camera for you to care to put in camera for me to sit down. I don't give a fuck about this man.
That's fine.
Because I know his boyfriend also doesn't care. Because his boyfriend cares about me more than him.
Okay.
Where did you come from before here?
Where did you?
Where did I come from? I came from Palm Bay Road. Yeah, so that's where I came from.
So
Where did
we're
you
on
come
a
from?
liquor store.
Samantha, right?
That's where you know it sucks.
Is it your name Samantha? Is it Samantha?
You literally already introduced me to like a home of.
There's no home here?
Yeah, that's why I cry.
Okay.
That's why I look for a home. You wonder why I fight? Because this is no home. Because y'all suck. That's why he's laughing and smiling.
I just smile when I squint my eyes because it's bright out here. It just kind of happens.
Yeah?
We're naturally happy people. Nothing wrong with a smile.
Okay, you can't go in there.
It's locked.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I wonder how we planned that.
Stop. Stop.
I wonder how we planned to fucking keep me from going
Sit
inside.
down.
Is that the
No,
liquor store?
no.
Samantha, who lives on New York Street in Melbourne?
My parents, I don't care about me.
Do you have a phone number for them?
Why? So y'all can keep me from going inside?
Can I call your parents? Do you have a phone number? You need to relax. You need to stay still. Have a seat.
I didn't do that.
Come on. Just don't make it worse. We're trying to get you some help before we have to take you to the hospital, okay? Come have a seat.
Just sit
Come have
down
a
on the
seat.
ground.
We're gonna figure it out.
Sit
Come on.
down.
Come on. Have a seat right there. Just
Help!
all right.
Help! Help! The police are being horrible! Help! And you wonder why the
Handcuffs on you, and then we're gonna help you back up once the handcuffs are on,
So
okay?
you didn't kill me? So you didn't kill
I
me?
really want nothing to do.
Help! 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 They're killing me! Help! Please help! Please help! Please help!
That's not nice.
Neither were you, nigga bitch.
Oh. Your card. You better relax.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Help!
Battery Elliot. Yep. I got it on my camera.
Yeah, let's go. Fucking your ass, bitch ass. Cause y'all are fucking pussies.
I ride with him.
And hey, you, I don't agree with this.
What's her name?
No, I see it. I see it. I know you don't agree with
What are you
this.
doing, Samantha?
You, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing agreeing with these motherfuckers? Who didn't kill your fucking daughter?
After my trunk?
Why are you fighting this? Hey!
Oh,
No! You know you hate doing
I'm gonna
this.
get off your legs, okay?
No, I know you hate doing this to them. That's why you already
You
did
calm
it.
down.
I know you hate this.
Do not get up, okay? If
I'm not wrong, am I?
If you get up, I'm
Am I wrong?
gonna put you back down.
Am I wrong? I'm not fighting you. I'll keep rolling around. Am I wrong?
Nope.
How do you go home to your girls after
We're
this?
gonna give you a ride.
How do you
okay?
go home to your girls after this? You don't. You don't. Your girls hate you. Your girls hate you. Because you know this is wrong. Because I'm gonna be raped and other shit. And you know your girls hate you. No, this is why you help me.
I'm gonna help you, yes. We're gonna help you get a ride, okay?
Don't look at me like that. That's why you help me. And because of your job, that's why you can't further help me.
Up 2 days ago. Yes. I got an appointment for you. Have a seat.
Have a seat. Samantha, I'm gonna make you sit down, or are you gonna sit down? Just sit down.
Are you gonna sit home?
Put your feet all the way in.
You can't make eye contact because you are. I don't like that I broke you like this.
Oh, we're not the broken ones.
You got it in your front?
Says the person behind the camera. Do not die. You're laughing. Well, the other one of your contestants are literally like not laughing.
On the ground, right?
Yeah. I hope that your fucking employees don't give a fuck as much as you
All
are
right,
a piece of
Samantha,
shit.
I'm gonna have you come out of the car and lay down.
How?
He's gonna unbuckle you, okay? And then you're gonna lay on the ground, okay?
I'm still in pain, so.
Just lay
no,
down.
like
Just
actual
go
physical
down on your
pain
knees,
from
please.
like.
Go down on your knees.
Lay down. Come on, you have to lay down.
No, I'm going to.
Perfect. Thank you for your cooperation.
So I'm glad when y'all get arrested for me going to jail for you being fucking.
And
Go.
all we're gonna do is just sit back in the car now. Again.
How are you legally doing this?
Enforcement officers.
While you're laughing?
You guys
Come over this way.
While you're laughing. While you're laughing.
All right, have a seat.
While you're laughing.
Have a seat.
While you're laughing.
Sit down.
All right, have a seat.
Well, no, I'm not
Sit down.
making it easy while he's laughing.
Sit down.
I know you're not proud of this.
Put your feet in there.
No, I know you're not proud of this. I know you have the time to talk to me. No, I want to know. How is it fair to cuff me like this
Because you're kicking the door.
when they didn't fair me politely for
Sit
other
down with
shit?
your seatbelt.
Please make sure they're okay. Can you please make sure my dog?
Look this way.
Can you make sure my
Put your
dog?
back against the wall. I'll make sure. Okay. Put your
No,
back
it's
against
okay. They couldn't fight me being gay.
the wall. Re-gloves. Hey, put your feet in that car, okay?
Make it a fight for my emotional support animal.
Put your feet in the car, please.
Make it to where I want my dog.
I will help you get your dog here. Put your feet in the car.
You'll make sure my dog's okay.
Yes, put your feet in the car.
Promise.
Put your feet in the car.
Promise my
I
dad.
don't promise anything. Put your feet in the car.
I
Please put your feet in the
won't
car.
move.
What are you doing this for?
And my dog is gonna die from cancer. That's my life. And this one literally didn't care because he let his dad die. Fucking Palm Bay police officer, you fucking piece of shit. No, he didn't care. You know I'm not gonna stop fighting.
Yeah, I don't think you know about it.
You know.
bring the,
you know
wrap.
for Colin and everything. I will not. You know this. You know. So why are you trying to do your job to fight us? We are your family, you piece of shit. I'm sorry, your job pays for your family more. That's why you can't look at me, because it hurts you.
Hey, is there room by your...
No, that's why it hurts you. It hurts you.
Stop. Put your feet in there.
You already know I broke the fucking helmets for a reason.
Yeah. Put your feet in there, please. Get through the eyelid only. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to fight me?
No, I don't want to fight you at all, okay?
I know you don't, because you want to talk about the family after.
You'll lose.
Yeah, you're not gonna be a stepdaddy after. You're not gonna fucking be a daddy to any of the kids after this. Fuck you piece of shit!
Grab me some gloves.
I don't give a fuck! Please, break my leg. I'm not letting go. You're letting go of their dad, mom, or me. I'm done. I'm done!
Go, it's not wrapped around it.
No, I'm fucking done!
Get my gloves on real quick and I'll help you. Let go of it.
Let's ask Uncle Owen how this goes. How do we go home? For him to ask to kill us, right?
In the car.
The drug addict.
Yes, I know
to
you're
kill
on
us.
drugs. Okay, get back.
Push your foot in there.
I'm gonna push her in a second, yeah.
She's gonna try.
And I will set her up. She's facing this way, but he's gonna untie her rope.
I know y'all are mad at me, but please.
We're not mad at all with you, okay? All I need you to do is get out of the car and lay on the ground again, okay? And I can help you get down if we need to, okay?
I'm not moving.
I got the seatbelt. Hold on.
I refuse without help. That way I don't get hurt.
I'll help you stand up, okay? We're gonna walk this way.
Can you please take the head thing off?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. No, he's making me mad. That they're laughing at.
Pull her chest in.
That's where.
Pull this.
That's where they're making you do it. Wonder what Daddy's gonna say after. Wonder what Mom's gonna say in the grave. Yeah, wonder what Gwen's gonna say in the grave, Daddy.
Hey,
Yeah, Daddy.
what's today's date?
Just stand.
Because you let me know what it is.
What year is it?
You rolled your eyes over the answer. Who had that on camera?
All four of you. Do you want to go to the hospital?
Why?
Well, they're saying you're not acting correctly, so we just want to make sure that you don't need medical attention. I have to ask you questions. You have to
As
answer them.
race writer, my fucking answers.
Alright,
And
so
fuck
once we get her
you.
in here, me and you'll pick her up.
Oh yeah, I will love when my porn star rookies get that on fucking camera. Hope you know, I do get this on camera.
Where do you live at?
Y'all should already know this.
I'm a fireman. I don't know where you live.
Too bad you suck at your job.
Yeah, no.
Your rookie left. So I mean,
This guy's not a rookie. He's been around for a while.
So why you?
Listen, let's just keep this
If we
simple.
can get him off, she was
You
just
want to
having
go to the
fun.
hospital?
We're gonna put you in this nice big stretcher, okay? Nice and easy to pick up, right? It's so nice.
No, it's
That helps us
it's
not having
And then
to
you
just
just drop
drug
them. Yeah. My camera's on while I'm in there, guys, just so you know. I don't think it's super long. 4708.
When the police arrived, we found the woman loitering in front of the store. Under Florida Statute Section 810.09 regarding trespass on property other than structure or conveyance, a business owner has the full right to ask an individual to vacate their private property, especially when that person is disrupting business operations. In American culture and law, private property rights are paramount. You cannot use being homeless as an excuse to occupy the sidewalk in front of someone else's store. Notice the moment the woman deliberately ignored the police and tried to walk away. Why did the officer stop her? Many who don't understand the law might shout, "But she's walking away!" Wrong. Under the landmark Supreme Court precedent Terry v. Ohio, 1968, police have the authority to conduct a temporary detention when they have reasonable suspicion that a crime has been, is being, or is about to be committed. Her public intoxication and signs of disorderly conduct were sufficient legal grounds for officers to order her to stop to investigate and resolve the issue definitively. Because if they had let her go, she would undoubtedly have returned or moved to another location to continue the harassment. As you can see, the officers here were incredibly patient. They didn't want to make an arrest. They employed de-escalation techniques by repeatedly offering to call her family or give her a ride to a safe location. But instead of cooperating, she chose to go dead weight and slumped to the ground. This is known as passive resistance. Soon after, this behavior escalated to active resistance when she began flailing, tensing her arms, and kicking at the officers. Under Florida law, resisting an officer without violence is already a crime, but her recklessness pushed her much further. She repeatedly kicked the officer in the head, which would lead to severe consequences. And that is the crux of this case. Any intentional act to strike, touch, or spit on a law enforcement officer in the line of duty constitutes battery on a law enforcement officer. This is a third-degree felony in Florida. The police acted in strict accordance with Graham v. Connor, 1989, regarding objective reasonableness in the use of force. They didn't beat her. They didn't taser her. They used a leg restraint to stop her from kicking and a spit hood to prevent biting and spitting. Placing her on a medical gurney was a measure of absolute safety, protecting her from her own instability. She repeatedly made excuses: a motorcycle accident, her dog's cancer, nobody loving her. From a behavioral analysis perspective, this is a defense mechanism for individuals who refuse to take accountability. But American law doesn't function on irrational pity. It functions on actions and consequences. The result? The woman was charged with 2 felonies: battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence. Although the judicial system initially showed leniency by granting her probation, she continued to violate the terms and ultimately paid the price with 120 days of actual jail time. If you found this video valuable, please hit like, subscribe, and share it to help build a community that understands and respects the law. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay sharp.